Hi guys, this is the look we'll be achieving today. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Before we get into it, I want to show you that these are the products that I use to braid my hair. I use the custard gel instead of a jam or edge control for the roots. So I used the Water Wave Passion Twist in 18" in the color T27 and the Soft Locs here in 18" also, but I cut the ends to achieve the short length that I wanted. This mirror is so helpful, so if you are doing your hair by yourself, get this, okay? Now this is what you're going to do. Take your crochet needle and push it through your braids about 1 inch away from your roots for less tension on your scalp. Then you're gonna take one of the soft locks and open the loop just a bit to attach it on the crochet needle. Close the needle and gently pull the soft lock through your braids. The next thing you're going to do is to get the passion twist and crochet it at the root of your hair. Then start to wrap the longest part around your hair and the soft locks also. Ensure you're wrapping the passion twist about 2 times around your scalp for less tension. Then just continue wrapping down the hair.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy.
If you have a short Faux locks, the ends are pretty much easy for you. But since I'll be cutting mine, because I wasn't about to buy short locks when I have the same hair, just longer length. Hell no. Because my hair is longer than the length I wanted for most braids of my hair, I had to fold the end of my hair to make it shorter and use the passion twist here to wrap around it. I intentionally parted my hair in big sizes, hence big braids. So what I did was to add another passion twist to it so that it can match the size of my braids. So now you're gonna basically repeat the same steps. You are going to just continue wrapping the end of the passion twist up, if that makes sense. You're gonna just wrap it up because that's where you're locking off the ends of your hair. So just wrap it up your hair, as you can see. So once you're at the ends again, now all that's left to do is to cut the remaining part that you don't want to keep. To seal it all and to keep it in place, I'm going to add that adhesive to the ends. And yeah, I am going to show you another one, but we're going to montage this, so I won't be voicing over, so you can see another time.
Medicine Ave, I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'm a pretty to bed. Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her of it, and I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back, so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. It ain't over with, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to pen. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead, like, comment, share. Yeah. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.